How to fix Instagram message glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message glitch on Android phone. First then just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here you will find this one here. uh, Click Instagram, type Instagram and click on it, and then go to storage, and here we'll find clear cache. Clear your Instagram cache and then go to permissions and just allow all of those here, and then go back. Now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back to storage and clear data. Click clear data and then restart your phone, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.